Hello my dear friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we came to the biggest hypermarket in Tehran, and we want to show you the prices of some food items in Iran. The recording time of this video is equivalent to 65,000 domans per dollar in Iran. And the salary of a normal employee in Iran is about $155 to $310 per month. First of all, we visited the rice shelf, which is the strength of all Iranians, and each 5 kilograms bag of Iranian rice cost about $8.55. We also asked to check the price of cobs and beans, which are among the most commonly used ingredients in the stew, and Iranians love these two stews. Next, we came to the shelf of oils, and you can see the price of sesame oil and corn oil. You can see the price of pasta, which is almost considered to be cheap food. If you don't have the time or patience to cook, you can get these ready-made dishes and eat them. The prices are reasonable and they are delicious. Paste, which is a seasoning for most dishes, is not bad. Let's see the price together. If you are a fast food eater, you must consume a lot of sauce, and knowing its price is attractive to you. I think it is necessary to take canned goods with you on camping trips, and it is not bad to know the price of tuna. In this part of Hyper, we see the price of lemon juice and pickles together. But in my opinion, the most important meal is breakfast. We should eat good food, and I told you to show the price of vegetable butter and cheese, and then let's go to the price of milk and yogurt. It's interesting to know that I love to drink a glass of milk every night before going to bed. Before we go, let's see the price of different types of meat. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and tell me in the comments so that I can make more videos like this for you. First, we see the price of fish, which ranges from $1.55 to $46. You can buy fresh veal and mutton from this part of the store. And if you want meat at a reasonable price, you can also get chicken meat from this place. In the rest of the video, we want to check the prices of potatoes, onions, tomatoes, cucumbers, bell peppers, and some fruits such as watermelons, oranges, and lemons. After all this sightseeing in this big hypermarket, you will definitely be hungry, and you can buy sushi or all kinds of ready meals at a very reasonable price from this place, and you can eat it here or take it home with you. We reached one of the most important parts of Hyper, namely the bakery and pastry section, where you can buy all kinds of cakes and pastries, but their breads are very expensive, so it is not recommended to buy them from Hyper. And finally, we went to the part of pickles and protein ingredients, which we did not check one by one due to the large number of them. Please see this beautiful colorful photo and enjoy it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I love you until one more video.